All right, so this is going to be question number 8 on page 193b. Same thing, we are solving equations, right? On the left side and right side. In this case, our left side, very heavy, right? Our left side is all of them together. On the right side, however, we have x over here. So we're gonna follow exact the same way what we did back in 192. The first step is open a bracket. Ross, can you do the same thing over here? Open a bracket and lay it out for me. Oh, let's just use that. Open a bracket. So on the left side, when I open a bracket, I will get 1 over 2x plus 1 over 6. And plus the 2 and that reduce, so it will become 1 over, so watch the sign as well, okay? 6x. And minus, so same thing, we're going to do the 1 over 24 equal to x. Any questions for this?
Can I reduce this?
Of course, that's why I get 1 over 6x over here, right?
1 over 8.
Yeah.
Do I just put plus?
So why do we get 1 over 8 over here, though? My question is that.
Oh, no.
So when you reduce, so here, guys, this is a very common mistake, okay? When we reduce the 2 over 3 with the 1 over 4, you might feel like, oh, you know what? The 1 over 4 actually becomes 1 over 2 now, right? But technically what happened is that we are doing 1 over 4 multiply 2 over 3x, and then 1 over 4, the same number, multiplied by negative 1 over 6 separately. So they're separate, right? So 1 over 4 times 2 over 3 will be 1 over 6x, no problem. 1 over 4 times 1 over 6 will be 1 over 24. That's not an issue too, okay? That's the first step. Any questions?
No.
We good? So what do we have? Okay, so this is 1 over 6. This is 1 over 6x. But why did you get 1 over 2x?
I reduce those two.
Yeah, even you reduce these two, this will be 1 over 2, but what about the 3?
Oh, it'd be 6.
Right? So you don't forget about the 3, right?
So then what do I do with the...
So keep it the same way, 1 over 6x.
Okay.
So that would be 1 over 6x and minus 1 over 24x.
1 over 6x minus 1 over 24.
Minus 1 over 24.
Yeah.
Do you know where the 1 over 24 comes from?
You multiply the 4 with the 20.
Very good.
With the 6.
And you can reduce that, right? Because there's
No.
nothing on the top. Perfect. So that's the first step. Second step, find
the LCM.
LCM. LCM of what? 2, 6, 6, and 24, and which is 24. Good job.
12x plus...
Hold on. That's the third step, right? Second step, we find the LCM. That's why we do it step by step. So third step is we multiply both sides
24.
by 24, right? You're gonna hold on your pony, right? People probably watching this video, they're like doubting, oh, how come Ross is so fast? Where'd you get that from? Okay, all right. So our next step is we have 1 over 2x. Just for the explanation purpose, I'm gonna write it down, right? Multiply by, you said 24, right?
Yes.
And is equal to x times 24. Anything wrong with this one? Our setup is all good, right? So now let's multiply it one by one. 1 over 2x times 24 is, you said 12x. Good job. 1 over 6 times 24, 4.
Same thing as the next one, 4x.
4x
Minus 1.
minus 1.
Equals 24x.
Okay, equal to 24x. Okay, last step, we solve it.
3. So you bring the
24 to the left side.
you let the 4 negative 1 stay, so that becomes 3.
So you said this one becomes 3. Okay.
We lose the 4x.
And then the
so
12x and 4x becomes 16x.
So negative 16.
Equal to 24x.
8x.
So it will be negative,
8x.
okay, negative 8x equal to negative 3, right?
Yep.
And then x equal to?
X equals to negative 3 over 8.
Oh.
Oh.
What happens? There's a couple ways to do this, okay? Watch this, okay? I can move the 16x to the right side.
Wait, but how did you get the negative 8?
Because I'm following you. You said I wanted to move the 24x to the left side, right? If I'm moving all the variables to the left side, the number should be thrown to the right side, right?
Wait, but then why is that one a positive?
Which one is a positive?
I put a positive 3.
Positive 3?
I know, I put a...
Yeah, it is positive 4. No problem. So you're asking how come this one's positive 4,
Oh.
right? Yeah, that positive 4 comes from 1 over 6 times 24. And then this negative 1 comes from the negative 1 over 24 times the 24. Okay? Any questions? So far, so good?
Yeah.
All right. So did you get why we're doing this? And how do we get x equal to 3 over 8? No problem?
Yeah, no problem.
So just watch out that there's going to be sign over here too, right? Okay, can we continue?
Yeah.
So number 8 is good. Let me see.
That's page 196.
196. Question number?
3.
Number 3. Perfect. This one, right?
Yeah.
I love this type of question. You know why? Because most of the time when we see fractions and decimals, like, how do we do this? All right, so this step, we have one additional step. Our additional step is to change decimals into what?
Fraction?
Into fraction. You okay, sir?
Yeah.
So what is 0.4 in fraction?
4 over 10.
Which is?
2 over 5.
Good job. And
Reduced.
always use the lowest form, which is a reduced form, right? Now, our formula or our equation look like this now.
Plus 6 equals x equals 3.
Okay,
plus
can you
3.
follow along?
So,
Okay. All right. Now, remember what we had from the previous question. That first step becomes the second step now, right? Right? So what do we do? Open bracket.
the bracket. So
When we open a bracket, what do we have?
2 over 3x.
Ay, ooh.
Oh god.
2 over 5 or 2 over 3?
I think it's 2 over. Wait, how did she get 5?
Dude, we had the 4 over 10 before,
I
right?
thought 3.
We're still dreaming?
2 over 5x.
And plus,
Plus 12 over 5.
very nice, equal to
X
over
over 3
plus 1.
1.
All right, next step, LCM
15.
of 5, 5, 3, which is 15. Good job.
So
What do we do now? Multiply
so
15 on both sides. Which is, dude,
6x
remember to write it down, right?
plus 36
So we have 2 over 5x plus 12 over
This
5.
is where it kind of changes. I don't know what to use the 1 for. Do I multiply by 15 or multiply
You
by
multiply by 15,
5?
right?
Yes.
So that's Ross is asking. Over here, do I multiply this 1 by 15 or 5? What do you think?
5.
Eh?
Oh no, 15.
So
no.
remember, you are multiplying this whole thing with the 15. But when you open a bracket, you're multiplying it
By 15?
separately,
Oh.
right? It has nothing to do with the reducing part. So just watch out, okay? Watch out these operations. You're gonna follow, respect the operations, or else it's gonna bite you back. All right. Anyway, so now it becomes 2 over 5x times 15. What is it?
6x
6x is good.
Plus 36.
Plus 36
equals 5x plus
equal
15.
to 5x plus 15. Any questions?
No.
What do we do now?
We bring the 5x over
To the left side,
to
which the left side becomes x,
X,
and then bring
we
the 36 to the right side.
Right side.
The right
so
side
that's
becomes
21. No, oh god.
Oh, what is 15 minus 36? Boy.
15 minus 36.
Yeah, bruh. You're not telling me that you don't know what the 15 minus 36 is, eh?
I remember it's negative 21.
Negative 21. You remember it was negative 21. It's not you remember it, dude. All right, so Ross is a little bit struggling over here, probably because that he hasn't fully awakened yet. So let's do this. 15 minus 36. So technically it's just negative of 36 minus 15, which is negative 21. Okay? All right.
Question number 8 scares me.
Question number 8 scares him. Let's see how scared. Oh, man. Okay. So remember, but first step is what? We're going to, how about this? We are going to copy this. Right? Like exact the same thing. We'll copy this. We paste it here.
Dang.
Right, dude. We gonna follow the same method, okay? So I'm gonna erase the steps. And you watch this, okay? LCM is gonna be different. And this is gonna be different. Alright, so we're gonna follow the step one by one as well. First thing is change the decimals into fractions. So what do you have now?
Yeah, 1 over 2.
1 over 2, x minus 1, minus, I can even borrow from the
Minus
previous
4
question,
over-
2
2
over
over
5,
5
x minus 6.
Equals x minus 6
Equal to-
equals 1 over 2.
Very nicely done. And then
Now we
open a bracket, okay?
1 over 2x
Minus 1 over 2.
minus 1 over 2 minus 2 over 5x plus 12 over
Very
5
nicely down for the
equals
sign
1
change.
over 2.
Okay, so what is my LCM for
The
2, 2,
LCM is
5?
10.
LCM is 10.
5
Multiply by 10 on both sides. And what do we do?
We multiply, so 5x.
Okay.
minus
Hey,
5.
whoa, dude. I still want you to write this down. See, even I want to write it down, right? Write it down, sir. Hold on your pony. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Okay, then we do it step by step.
So
Okay, you say 5x
minus 5
minus 5
minus 4x
minus 4x
plus 24
plus 24.
equals 5.
Very good.
So we keep the 5x and the 4x, which means that would become x.
Mhm.
We bring the 24 to the right side
Yeah.
and the 5 to the right side, so
Okay.
the 24 would become a negative, which means that would be negative 19 plus 5, negative 14.
You got it. Very nicely done. Negative 14. Is it scary again?
Yeah.
I don't think it's scary, right? You just follow step. Literally, what we did is follow
So
the
do I
step
do
one by
question
one.
number 6 at home?
Yes, you can, because I already recorded question number 16 right. Yeah, right. Question number 6 right here. In fact, this one is like the first thing, right? The first step that we need to do. And in this case, there's no fractions. There are no decimals. So you can just go for.
It's just 24.
You're already doing it. Okay. Anyway, guys. So this summarizes this sets of questions from 192, 193, and also 196. Hopefully this video helps. Thank you so much.